Hi, in this video I'm attempting to do the insert for the Roubo split top bench I did a while ago. If you noticed, I've made a little groove here. To insert something I can move around left and right. Now, the problem is if you have a long board which fits perfectly in here, in order to get it out you have to move it the whole length of the board. So I would have to move the bench over to this side in order to get it slide all the way up, which is a little bit annoying. So that's why what I'm doing is I will make the insert to fit from the top, and if you want to raise it up a little bit, you turn it around. It will raise up a little bit and you have a plain stop. Now, let's get our piece of walnut and yeah, start working on it.
This piece of walnut has been waiting for its purpose for a few months now, and the reason for that long waiting was that I had no jointer. Now you could argue that the planing sled I built is sufficient enough, and you would be right. I just made my mind up to only flatten this board with a jointer. The next step was to cut the boards to the correct thickness, and the bandsaw was my machine of choice. Then I had to sand it through the thicknesser to get rid of the rough blade marks. I prepared a piece of oak to have pockets across the insert, and had to get my smallest chisels for the exact thickness of the inner walls. I cut the board into pieces and glued them together like a piece of Kinder chocolate. Once everything dried, I needed to make sure it fits into the split top. So back to the past Daniel. Does it fit?
Not yet, and that's actually what I meant to do.
Yes, sure. Well, actually it was all planned, and I had to plane it slowly by hand in order to have it perfectly fit without any play. The seconds turned into hours doing that fit, but finally it was all good. I cut the excess material and let it fly through the thicknesser again. By the way, if you are intrigued by this machine and would like to hear my thoughts on it, drop a comment, and I'll be putting together a dedicated review video for you.
Wow. Wow. I like that.
It took me some necessary measurements to have a cutout there where the vise is mounted. Then I went back to the bandsaw and finished my cut with the handsaw. The insert has two positions. For the flat position I had to make some measurements and some precision work with the Japanese saw and the chisel.
Now I need to measure the exact height of this. Exactly here. Well, let's see if I did everything right. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Here a little bit.
I was halfway through the sanding and just wasn't happy with the results. So I grabbed my hand plane and flew across the whole surface like a caffeine-fueled superhero on a mission to vanquish unruliness, turning the bench top into a sleek landscape that would make even the fanciest runaway jealous. Then I finished the surface with melted butter and salt. Only to see if you guys are paying any attention. Wait, what? Just a joke. Finally, the Roubo split top insert is finished and there is only one thing left for the bench to be officially finished. And that's the big hole I accidentally routed into the one side. Yeah, if you remember that. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. Always a pleasure making a video for you guys. See ya! Don't forget to subscribe and to like that video. And if you're feeling really good, maybe you can share it.